Welcome back to Car Updater. Today, we're shifting gears to explore the formidable 2025 Komatsu D155AX-8 Dozer, a machine that epitomizes power and precision in heavy-duty earthmoving. The Komatsu D155AX-8 is engineered to tackle the most challenging terrains with ease. At its core lies a robust Komatsu SAA6D140E7 engine, delivering an impressive 354 horsepower at 1,900 revolutions per minute. This powerhouse ensures that the Dozer can handle substantial loads while maintaining optimal fuel efficiency. Weighing in at approximately 89,300 pounds, the D155AX-8 boasts a blade capacity ranging from 12.3 to 15.6 cubic yards. This substantial capacity allows for efficient material movement, reducing the time and effort required on large-scale projects. One of the standout features of this Dozer is its advanced transmission system. Equipped with an automatic lock-up torque converter, the D155AX-8 optimizes power transfer and enhances fuel efficiency. This means operators can expect both powerful performance and cost savings on fuel consumption. Operator comfort hasn't been overlooked. The cab is designed to provide a quiet and smooth ride, with excellent visibility to ensure safety and precision during operations. Ergonomic controls and a well-thought-out interior layout contribute to reduced fatigue during long working hours. For those interested in the technical dimensions, the D155AX-8 measures approximately 24 feet 3 inches in length, with the blade in a straight position, stands about 11 feet 2 inches tall to the top of the cab, and has a track length on the ground of 10 feet 9 inches. Now, let's talk about the expected price. While the exact pricing for the 2025 model may vary based on configurations and additional features, historical data provides some insight. In the United States, used Komatsu D155 Dozers have been typically priced between $29,900 and $234,000, depending on factors such as age, condition, and specifications. It's reasonable to anticipate that a brand new 2025 D155AX-8 would be priced higher, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. The Komatsu D155AX-8 is not just about raw power, it's also about intelligent engineering. The integration of Komatsu's SIGMA Dozer blade enhances production efficiency by up to 15% compared to conventional semi-U blades. This design improvement translates to more material moved with less fuel consumed. Safety features are also paramount. The D155AX-8 includes a rear-view camera system, providing operators with a clear view of the area behind the Dozer. This addition significantly reduces blind spots and enhances overall site safety. Maintenance is made more straightforward with centralized service points and ground-level access to critical components. This design consideration ensures that routine checks and servicing can be performed quickly and efficiently, minimizing downtime. Environmental considerations have also been addressed. The D155AX-8 meets EU Stage 4 emission standards, reflecting Komatsu's commitment to reducing the environmental impact of its machinery. This means operators can achieve high performance while adhering to stringent emission regulations. In summary, the 2025 Komatsu D155AX-8 Dozer stands as a testament to Komatsu's dedication to innovation, efficiency, and operator comfort. Its blend of powerful performance, advanced features, and thoughtful design makes it a top contender for those seeking a reliable and effective solution in heavy-duty earthmoving. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the 2025 Komatsu D155AX-8 Dozer. Stay tuned to Car Updater for more insights into the latest advancements in heavy machinery and automotive technology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Until next time, keep exploring and stay informed.